This is N2LEN with another quick video clip. This is a fully loaded, new to me, Flex-5000A. And the reason why I'm making this quick video clip is because I just popped open the covers. I needed to see the UHF VHF module. I've only seen pictures of it in all these years, and I've owned 3 Flex 5000s over the years. Every time I sold them, I went into a period of depression because out of God knows how many radios, even the radios that you could buy today, the 5000 still outperforms a lot of them. But the flexibility of this radio, guys are still using them as exciters for Class E stuff, on sideband. You go on YouTube, you take a look at W1AEX's YouTube videos on how to adjust the audio settings, adjust the ALC. They sound fantastic because of the, on AM, and they sound fantastic on upper and lower sideband. And I only just received it. I have been looking for a fully loaded one for several years, but I gotta tell you, now that I just popped off the top and bottom covers, and God knows how many radios I've been inside, the build quality, the attention to detail, and the way that the cabling is run. This is a factory Flex 5000. This really is second to none. I mean, now I don't have the specs in front of me. I've known the specs on the UV, well, let's say the VU module, for years. It's a fully integrated all mode, all band duplex module, for 2 meters and 70 centimeters. It literally, I mean, if you're a satellite operator, by getting this module, it literally transforms the radio into the ultimate satellite weak signal, for work. Both of the UHF and VHF oscillators, I believe, are locked to the 500 megahertz master oscillator in the Flex 5000, so it's rock solid as far as drift. Both of the modules, the power modules, the PARF amplifiers are Class AB biased at 60 watts on both UHF and VHF. Like I was saying before, I mean, look at the cabling and the interconnects. There aren't that many things out there that impress me, but this surely does. It does, all mode support. It'll do, of course, sideband, like I was saying, FM narrow, CW, the digital modes, ASFK. I know it's full duplex crossband operation mode. It's satellite ready for B&J modes. It's the frequency stability is like 0.5 parts per million internal. And then if you add like a GPSO or any like 10 megahertz external reference oscillator, I mean, this, it's great that it tracks with the internal master oscillator. It does, it has a PA RF bypass option 50 milliwatts of, of output if you want to, go transverter crazy. So hopefully this, I'm going slow enough so you could see it all. It's pretty impressive. It's built very, very well. And that's basically it. This is the Flex-5000. I mean, go back a couple of years ago, the Flex-5000, if you wanted to order it with the antenna tuner, the independent second receiver, the VU5K module, you're talking about a $6,000 radio. I never had, once again, this module, and after seeing it, I'm pretty impressed. So that's it. This is N2LEN saying best 7.3 with a little peak at the top of the Flex-5000A with the VU5K 60-watt VHF UHF module. Best 7.3.